Hello, students. Uh, in today's class, we are going to the very important topic, and the topic is related with the mining sites which are present on the earth, or we have to comment on a very specific question that mining defaces the earth's surface. Mining defaces the earth's surface. The reasons are as follows. Children, हमें पता है mining is a primary activity which is utilized or which are highly overexploited by the human beings. So there are the various reasons which make the earth ugly. Fine. Due to continuous digging and dumping, or you can say with the heavy demand of minerals in the market, or it is considered to be the sign of the development of any country. So due to digging and dumping, due to exploitation of minerals from the interior of the earth, which are very heavy in nature, and due to this mining, the land are degraded continuously, which make the area very barren, and mining sites which result in slump, unsightly depressions are created. So ultimately it destroys the scenic beauty of the nature, it destroys the pristine beauty of the nature, that is your pure. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा एक सिंपल ड्रेनेज के लिए जब खुदाई होती है तो हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि ये कितना ज़मीन कितनी बेकार हो गई है. तो यहाँ पे तो वो माइनिंग बहुत लार्ज स्केल पे किया जा रहा है, और जिसका कारण ये होता है कि एक तरफ डंपिंग, एक तरफ डिगिंग, एक तरफ खुदाई हो रही है, और उसी का जो मलबा है वो एज अ डंपिंग के तौर पे इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. तो अल्टीमेटली यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ कंट्रीज़, number of developed countries, developing nations, underdeveloped nations, they are all going towards with this mining process. So ultimately the mining has done at a very large scale, or they are having its you can say essentiality, more and more essentiality in the entire country. तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन सबसे ज़्यादा हो रहा है, और अल्टीमेटली इट लीड्स टूवर्ड्स the ugliness of your nature. So ultimately the mining sites are called to be the killer industry, or you can say the robber industry, and due to the overexploitation from the side of the human, ultimately it destroy the beauty of the nature. Fine, children. Then the very important point is that India is a country which are very rich in mineral resources, which are very in terms of mineral resources, but it is unevenly distributed in the entire country. So the major reasons behind the geographical location, the formation of the minerals in terms of the quality and the quantity. Fine. As we all know that Deccan Plateau is known as the storehouse of the mineral, because you people are very well known about the physiological, you can say, location or the physiological features of India in the previous class, chapter number 2. So the geographical location is there. The Deccan Plateau is known as the storehouse of the minerals. Like northern plains are having called as the food bowl of India. Fine. So ultimately the minerals are very much unevenly distributed. If we are talking on the India is rich in iron ore, mica, bauxite, manganese ore, coal. So it is, India, a country, is very much rich in this particular, you can say, minerals. But on the other hand, India is also a deficient in terms of crude oil, gold, silver, lead, zinc, etc. If we are talking about the exported material which are exported from India to the other nations, so iron ore, coal, manganese, these are 1 marks question, children. Very important minerals which are exported from India to the rest part of the country, rest part of the world, and it gains a foreign revenue. On the other hand, the imported minerals are there also, like copper, because India is very deficient in terms of copper, oil, crude oil, that is lead, tin, and mercury. Uh, Children, if we are talking on the richness of the states which are having abundance in terms of the mineral resources, so India's, if we are looking on the India's map, so peninsular India, that is the Deccan Plateau, Chotanagpur Plateau, especially the Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka region, Maharashtrian region, these are very much rich in Odisha. These are very much rich in your minerals. Fine. Western and eastern parts like Gujarat, Assam, deltaic and eastern coastal part, then Maharashtra, or the offshores of Maharashtra, Mumbai. These all are Mumbai High. These all are very much important in terms of petroleum and natural gases. If you are talking about the state like Rajasthan, the Rajasthan are rich in terms of non-metallic minerals like mica, limestones, because they are having a sedimentary rocks. You can say the marble mining is very much important in the Rajasthan. The children, last topic of today's class is your metal and non-metals. Fine. You have also heard in your science class that metals are basically deal with those mineral which are having ductility, malleability, sonoricity, and luster. They are very much good in terms of heat and electricity. Mostly they are occurred in solid state, also in some liquid like mercury. Minerals, they are usually associated with the igneous and metamorphic rocks. For example, the silver, gold, bauxite, iron. Fine. Then non-metals, बेसिकली अगर हम सिर्फ ऑपोजिट ले लें ऑफ योर नॉन मेटल, तो दे आर नॉट पोजेसिंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ मेटालिक प्रॉपर्टीज and they are bad conductors of heat and electricity. They occur in almost all the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gaseous, like crude oil and natural gas, mostly associated with sedimentary rocks, for example like mica, coal, crude oil, etc. So fine children, this is all about the today's class. And if we are talking on the recapitulation, we have starting our journey of your minerals and energy resources from the definition of minerals. Then comes to the occurrence of minerals with the mining sites, mining and the types of mining. And in today's class we were dealing on the metals and non-metals, and some you can say facts about India's mineral position. Fine. Or you can say the mineral position in India. Fine children. So ultimately in next class we are our class is over now. In next class we are dealing with the very specific, you can say, the ferrous minerals, the non-ferrous likewise, with the usages and its property.